Let's cut to the chase because we all know what you're here for. These are my top 4 apps for architects as we exit 2024 and move into 2025. Starting off with my absolute favorite app, and that is Building Tools. If you haven't heard of Tools before, that's because you've been sleeping under a rock. Building Tools absolutely changes the game for all architects, designers, and even builders in the industry. If you have anything to do with construction, especially if you're in Australia, Jerry and his team over at Tools have created an incredible product. Now, basically what Tools is it is an entire library of incredible architectural details completely coordinated with the National Construction Code, which means you have decades worth of construction experience and knowledge detailed in a simple app that you can reference any time of day or night. It doesn't matter if you're looking for retaining wall details, waterproofing details, or anything in between, Tools is the place that you need to go. Next on the list is the app that I use every single day without fail, and that is Morpholio Trace. Now, I've spoken about Morpholio Trace on this channel many a time, and that is because I genuinely love this app. As an architect, I'm not always in front of my desk with ArchiCAD open in front of me, able to change things on the fly. So when I'm in meetings, when I'm on site, that's when I open up Morpholio Trace and I utilize every single element of it. Morpholio Trace has had significant updates recently, which has made it so much better. So for example, now we have dimensioning tools. If we open up any of our projects, scale it quickly, we can dimension any of the items within the floor plan or the elevations and not have to constantly measure and remeasure. Otherwise, for me, Morpholio Trace is continuously used as a documentation review tool. I can't remember the last time I printed out a set of drawings to physically mark up and check. Every single drawing I've checked since I downloaded Morpholio Trace many moons ago has been checked on this iPad with Morpholio Trace, and hands down, it will continue to be checked on this iPad with Morpholio Trace for as long as I can foresee. Moving on to number 3 on this list, we're just over halfway. This app is absolutely critical for managing your projects. Now, for me, this app is Notion. Notion is my entire central hub for all architectural projects and consultant coordination. Because I have so many projects that I run throughout the year, I can often get lost and forget about things. So in Notion, I document every single detail. When a quote goes out, it's documented. When a quote comes back in, it's documented. When it's signed, when the drawings are in, and when it's finished, it is documented every time in Notion. It is my own personal project hub that I've created specifically for how I operate. It's super simple to use. You can grab it on your iPad or your iPhone, on any computer, or even on the web, which makes it an incredibly versatile tool and one of the best apps for project organization that I've found to date. Number 4 on this list is last but definitely not least, and it is a relatively newcomer to the game. Number 4 allows me to optimize my day and optimize my workflows quicker than ever before without having to spend endless hours reading, proofreading, and rereading. And number 4 on this list is ChatGPT. Now, obviously, this isn't exclusive for architecture, this isn't dedicated for architecture, but as architects, we are constant communicators and we have to be excellent communicators in our field. Sometimes I'm just struggling to write the perfect email, and more often than not, I can't find the words. You may or may not believe that considering how much I talk on this channel, but there are times I just can't find those words. So I'll quickly draft up an email, plug it into ChatGPT, allow it to rewrite it, skim read it, and hit the send button. This way I know my emails are written properly and it saves me so much time. I also use ChatGPT as a document review reference. So for example, the National Construction Code is thousands of pages long and often I just can't seem to remember where things are. So what I'll do is drag and drop the National Construction Code into ChatGPT and make it look for the information I need to know. This way I can quickly find exactly where it is in the code, go back, reference it, understand it, and move on with my day, rather than spending countless hours trying to dig up key pieces of information that I just can't seem to remember. This works with an array of different types of documentation, especially if you're working with contract administration. That way you can plug in the contracts, quickly review them, get the information you need, and move on. Now, as you may have noticed, there is no number 5 on this list because these are the top 4 apps I genuinely use every single day. I wasn't able to find a number 5, so I didn't want to throw in a random app. We all use Outlook, we all use to-do lists, we all use all of them, and they're generic apps. I wanted this one to be tailor-made for all of you guys. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, I'll see you next week.